guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have the Spring Pastel kit from Double Dip. So we are going to swatch these and compare to some of the other swatches that I have. So if you want to see these swatched, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, first one up is Bunny Nose, and this looks like a pastel pink. That's exactly what it is, so let's swatch it. Super pretty pink. Next up is Emerald, and these are my type of colors, especially this color. From the looks of it, like, look at this color. So excited. Look at that. Such a pretty color. Didn't do a very good job swatching it, but a pretty color. All right, next up is Enchanted, and it looks like a shimmery white. And that is exactly what it is. I'm gonna bring down the brightness for you guys on this one. Look at that, so pretty. Next up is Clear Sky, which is this pretty blue, and I think I have this one already. I could be wrong. I think this was a sample one that I got. I'll have to double check, because this is ringing a bell to like the first tutorial I did with them. Ooh, now we have like a lavender. So this is Magnolia. Such a pretty purple. Next up is Champagne Gold, and Champagne Gold is my favorite, personally, type of gold. In general, I'm not a really yellowy gold person. All right, I'm gonna do another layer, so I'll have 2 total layers, and I'll be right back. All right, so this last one is a clear, so I didn't feel like I needed to swatch that. Plus I already have one open, so I don't want to open this one yet. But these are all the colors in that spring collection, and for me, they are beautiful. I didn't have any to compare it to because other ones they don't have labeled. I know, I'm so sorry. So the top one is Champagne Gold and Be Fierce. Be Fierce was from their St. Patrick's Day kit. Also, I realized I matte coat the back. However, if they are clear, like this one wasn't fully opaque, it makes it look matte. So I might have to rethink the glitters on here because this looks matte and it's really not. And then we have this one that I don't know the name of it. There's like a few chunkies in here. I feel like this was the Charlie's Angel one, or is that white one, Charlie's Angel? I'm so bad. This is why I have to label them like right this second. If I don't, then this is where we are. So here are all of the colors. Absolutely beautiful. I love them so much. And then we'll flip it over. Okay, the flip over for matte did not go as smooth, but look at how awesome they look in matte. So I might have to do one of these tutorials in matte because they look so good in matte. I'm loving them in matte, especially like they're just so pretty. So alright guys, don't forget I do have a discount code with Double Dip. I will go ahead and link the kit below along with my code. It is Vanessa20 for 20% off. So thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.